Accidental investor. You have read this title and clicked on this video. Now, what is this accidental investor? You might have seen the movie Accidental Prime Minister. Then, what is this accidental investor? It is somebody who came to investing by chance or something like that? No. In this video, I will explain you who is accidental investor and many things around it, because this is very important topic of trading psychology. Okay, see, I am telling trading psychology. It is applicable to trading as well as investing, but this is on trading psychology. But the title is accidental investor, and you will soon come to know what is and who is accidental investor. See, generally what happens when stock market rises, then there will be many stories in media, magazines, newspapers, and there will be many talks among your peers, friends, relatives that this person earned this much in stock market, he doubled his money, he tripled his money, his share was multi-bagger, he invested 1 lakh and he earned 1 crore. There will be many such stories in the market, in the society, when there is euphoria and it's at the peak in the market. Means when market goes up rapidly, when market is towards its near term top, then all such stories will spread in the society, and then many new people want to invest in stocks, because you see your friends are earning, you see some of your relative made fortune, and then you don't want to be outside that league. You also want to take advantage of what is happening in stock market, and then what you do is you collect some money from here and there, you take your saving and you come to stock market, and then now you just know that I have to invest, so you don't know where to invest. And then what you do, you go to somebody and ask, you go to some friend, relative, or somebody, or some tipsters, and you ask them that where should I invest, where should I invest. You meet some of your friend who you know that he is an investor, or he frequently talk about share market and all. Then you go to him and ask him that, hey, please tell me a couple of share names, multi-baggers, tell me some multi-bagger stocks, and then you invest in those stocks, and the story begins from here. So when you invest, daily you see its price, and see, when you invest, before that your friend who frequently talk about share market tells you that, see, this is investors earn after a long time, they have to wait for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and then they earn. But see, I made good money in trading. So instead of investing, you should do trading. Means you buy this stock, it will be double in 3 months, then you sell it. So, and he himself is not an investor, he don't know about fundamental analysis, your friend, and then he have given you those recommendations, and then you also want to do trading. First thing, you don't know about investing. Second thing, you don't know about trading, but you know one thing, that in trading you earn quick money. So you want to earn from market, on top of that you want to earn quick money, and you have no knowledge. You buy the stock based on recommendations or tips of your friends or somebody or relatives or anybody, and you start looking the price of this stock daily, and then this story begins, as I told. Now what happens is, in trading there should be very rigid rules which should form your system, and according to that system you should trade. So your entry criteria, your position sizing, your exit criteria, your stop loss, everything should be perfectly defined. But here you know nothing about anything. You don't know what is your exit criteria, and you have invested, okay, for purpose of doubling your money in 3 months. 3 महीने में पैसा डबल, and then stock started coming down, and within next 3-4 days stock come down by 4-5%, and now you call your this friend that is it's coming down, what should I do, and he tells you that, oh, don't worry, it will go up, and something like that. It comes down further. Now he told, and whoever have given you tip, he will keep he won't tell you that, oh, I was wrong, just sell it off. And even if he tells, you won't sell it because you don't want to book losses. Because see, now your money which you have invested, suppose you have invested 1 lakh, it is now 95,000, and you daily you do one thing, you pray to God that let this stock go up. You do nothing else, and and your psychology don't allow you to book losses. You have no defined system, and then you have heard these things that whatever comes down goes up, and you start watching some news, or you start watching some reviews about this stock, or what people think about this stock, and if there is some analyst come on TV and say that this stock is very good for investment, then you are happy. If somebody tells sell this stock, then you think that he don't know. This is something called confirmation bias. You want to collect all the evidences that you are correct, and this stock will go up sometime, and this stock starts falling further. When it fall for 15%, you buy some more to average. I don't know, but people learn averaging by their own, which is the worst thing in trading or investing, whatever. Averaging down means when it is coming down, averaging is very bad thing. But people learn that automatically. They learn it themselves because they want to bring down the average price they bought the stock for, and they average it. And unfortunately, many of these traders will stuck in that stock for long time. They don't want to book loss, they don't want to come out, and they have to stay in that stock for long time, and then they become accidental investor. You might have seen many such accidental investors around you. Nobody will tell you that I invested in this stock for trading, but then I could not book my loss and then I stuck. But you yourself might have done this thing in the past. And the worst problem is these accidental investors, they can't become investor because they never studied fundamental analysis. They never researched about the what this company is, how are their financial standings, and what is the future of business. They know nothing about that, and they know nothing about chart, and nothing about the technical analysis as well. So, and they don't have the psychology needed for being trader or being for being an investor. They can't be trader, they can't be investor, and they will have some wrong notions, or they will have some wrong ideas in mind, and they lose huge. If you don't trust me, go and see charts of Videocon or Suzlon. Videocon was once India's top electronics consumer goods manufacturing company. Many of you might know Videocon was making quality products. They had huge market. They were market leader in consumer electronics category. And what happened? All the investor lost everything in that share. You just go and see the chart. What was its price? Then how it came down and all that. You can go and study. Suzlon Wind Energy was the biggest wind energy company in the world, not in India, in the world. Biggest. And then you see what happened to the share. Now, if you are doing this kind of things, then stop it immediately. Come out of that. Book your losses whenever you see that position is going against you. If you are a trader, you should have plan. Trading without plan is crime, is burning your money. You don't want to be an accidental investor. Do everything by choice. Learn everything and then take your trades or positions or whatever you want. So the biggest problem with these kind of things is you lose your good relationships with your friends or relatives who have given tips to you or whatever. Many times the operators in penny stocks spread such news that this is going to be 10 times in next 5 months. There will be nothing in that company. They spread such news so that many retail investors should invest. And who fall for this? Those who don't know anything. New people, blank people, they put this money. And see, worst thing is, if this happened to anybody, then he lose the trust in stock market. He thinks stock market is gambling, and his career in stock market is finished. Okay, so never make this mistake. Don't be accidental investor. So if you like this, if you enjoyed this video, then do like, spread the word about our channel, subscribe to our channel, and comment on our videos. If you have any questions, you can comment. We'll answer each one of your questions. Thank you very much for now, and goodbye.